Introducing Cambium Networks Force 180 series of wireless broadband solutions. This video demonstrates the installation of Force 180 equipment for optimal network deployment. Verify all tools and parts. Attach the mounting bracket to a pole using the included metal clamp. Lock the Force 180 device into the bracket. Power on your Force 180 equipment to begin alignment. Navigate to Configuration, Radio. Configure the operating frequency and channel bandwidth utilized by your network. Then click Save. Using the E-Align feature, find the best signal for your Force 180 and secure the installation.